welcome Rudransh from Futurix AI and Quantum Box, who is here to give us a feedback regarding AceCloud and our services. So, welcome Rudransh. First of all, thanks for joining in. And can you tell us a little bit about what Futurix AI does and what business problems are you solving?
So at Futurix AI and Quantum Works, our main agenda is to create foundational models from scratch, completely made in India on Indian infrastructure. And what we are trying to solve is the business use cases for different use cases such as sales, marketing, and finance. Basically, we specialize in creating agents for marketing for fintech part, which are basically for the compliances and portfolio optimizations, or if you are into legal compliances, and we try to provide businesses customized solutions according to their own needs. And further, we provide our own foundational models. Shivai, that is a 4 billion parameter model, completely made in India and on Indian infrastructure.
Oh, that's great. I would congratulate you for that because building something sovereign in India, that's a proud moment for all of us.
Yes.
Right? So, Rudransh, if I ask you, like before partnering with AceCloud, what were your challenges around cloud infrastructure? Because being someone who is working with AI agentic framework, you need a lot of computational needs.
Before like partnering with AceCloud and before utilizing AceCloud services, we were using a few other cloud services which were outside of India. So when it comes to catering our users in India, latency becomes a very big factor. And then second is the pricing also. See, latency and pricing are two factors. Even if you make excellent AI model architecture, even if you do the best optimizations around the globe, but if at the back end of the server, that the cloud that you're using, if they didn't set up their network configurations and bandwidth configurations properly, then all your efforts in your model architectures and your algorithm optimizations are completely waste. So that's one of the major challenges, and due to that reason, a few of our clients who are currently piloting Shivai and our other services also, they were facing a major challenge when it comes to latency in tokens per second, right?
Right. And like I understand it is very frustrating when you're doing such intense work and the network issue comes in. So, like if I may ask, how did AceCloud solve your problems and how well did it do?
First of all, AceCloud solved our latency problem for at least our customers in India, right? AceCloud have servers in India and they offer excellent speed and excellent bandwidth also. Further, model training and model inferencing are two separate things, right? For inferencing, you might need A100, but for inferencing, you don't need them. You can also utilize L40S. So these GPUs that AceClouds were providing for inferencing, specifically the L40S, was a major, was a big advantage for us, right? We can utilize them, reduce our costs, and provide the same speed to our clients also. So that's one of the things. So latency and these GPU offerings were the main thing which gave the problems that AceCloud solved for us.
I mean, that's great. Like other than the technical resolutions that AceCloud did for you, what other value benefits that did you see while you were using AceCloud?
First thing is the type of customer support that we get from AceCloud. Say you are using the GPUs, right, and you're not able to log into the VM. You have raised customer support tickets. Now they are taking weeks, maybe probably. They are asking you to do multiple emails again and again. So that basically not only frustrate you, I would say, but it also delays your production pipeline, and in that case, you are not able to serve your clients also that well.
Right.
So this customer support that we get from AceCloud, the speed at which our queries get resolved is, I guess, the major benefit that we get from AceCloud, and that's what we want from a cloud provider, that our requests and our problems get solved. Apart from that, pricing is a very big factor, right? Yeah. Pricing as compared to the other cloud providers is very effective for AceCloud, and especially in that pricing, the features and the services AceCloud is providing, I guess that's the best part.
That's great to hear that we were able to solve your problems in time. Like, how did you hear about AceCloud?
In 2024, there was an event in Delhi, IMC, Indian Mobile Congress. So over there, I met Piyush. He's from your team.
Yeah.
So he basically understood what we are trying to do with the model training, and then he recognized our needs, right? And then he introduced us to AceCloud. That what your GPU offerings, what you guys are offering, right? And the way the way he deal with us, I guess that's the best part, and that's how we got introduced to AceCloud.
That's great. And like, how would you recommend AceCloud for other entrepreneurs which are looking for a change in their cloud computing needs?
I guess all the entrepreneurs in India who are trying to deploy their own AI models, or they are fine tuning existing open source models, and they need GPUs in lesser cost as compared to other cloud providers. Uh, they should immediately switch to AceCloud.
Yeah.
First, for the technical reasons, to definitely. Then the GPU you guys offer, and then the third thing is the support that you offer is the best thing. So if they switch to AceCloud, then they don't have to wait for months and weeks and do a lot of emails. Probably with AceCloud, they don't need to set up another AI just for handling the emails.
Thanks a lot, Rudransh, and thanks a lot for joining us today. Your feedback is very fruitful for us. We will be definitely working upon more and more such things where we could help people like you to focus on their business initiative rather than worrying about their cloud needs. So at AceCloud, we welcome all business and entrepreneurs who are looking for, looking for a cloud computing need, and how well we can cater you. That's our job that we will be looking at. Thanks for joining today.